again, on Friday we had started it and it was just really muddy. It got late really quick. The time got away from us, so we didn't get to finish it. A lot of this wood is all wood that my sister-in-law and they're building a house, and so they had a lot of like extra lumber and stuff that they weren't using. They were just gonna burn it, and we were like, no, we want to use it. So we have set up a garden bed. Now this is roughly around the same size as the one we had last year, and we learned so much from that. And one of those things that we learned was that the dirt that is naturally here in our backyard is not fairly conducive to growing high yield crops. So we're having the same size because we did really well with that, but we're gonna do it where we can put some more nutrient dense soil in it. So we're doing a raised garden bed. So I'm pretty excited. It's going a lot slower than I wanted it to for many reasons. One of them being it's been raining pretty much, I don't know, I would say 5 out of 7 days, and the days that it wasn't raining, it was totally soaked. So, you know,
not playing that big thing.
Normally on you know, Saturdays and Sundays, we're visiting family, we're going to church, but we have none of that now, being quarantined. So we're gonna try and bust out as much of this garden building as we can. Joe has been leading us in this. My kiddos all in their rain boots because this is just so muddy. It's just so muddy from all the rain, but I'm really excited. So what we're gonna do is, I want to say this is probably 17 by 20 or 17 or 20 feet long.
Yeah, 17 feet by almost 12.
Okay, so here's our plan. Our, like, I don't know if you can really see it from here, but it is a 17 foot long bed and about 12 feet wide. You can see these boards here on the ground. Right, and so they're marking, what the boards are marking are walkways. So we'll have the beds almost like a big U that goes down the middle, and then we'll have like walkways that we can get in so we can reach every part of the garden bed. We'll have something, I'm not quite sure what we'll have just yet, but we'll have something where, you know, our climbing, like our tomatoes and cucumbers and all of those climbing vining plants will be able to climb up, and then we'll have access on both sides. So I am not the most spatial person. I'm really good at concepts and stuff, but when it comes to actually like measuring and planning spatially, I don't get it. Sun's almost setting.
Ooh, I just saw the moon and I got very distracted. I'll do some B-roll for y'all of the moon with the zoom in lens. I don't even know what it's called. I got so distracted by the moon. Sorry.
It is a beautiful moon. It's been a long day of work. We've been working, well, it's a long afternoon of work really. It hasn't been all day or anything.
We didn't start till like 2.
Yeah, but it's been great. We ran into a few problems, solved them together. We've never done this before, so considering that, it went off pretty well.
If you take wrong measurements from the get-go, your plan won't work. But it happens. So you can kind of see right there behind us.
Here, let me get out of the way. So these are gonna be,
Yeah, you want to give us a little tour?
so this is a 17 and a half. We thought it was 17, but it's actually 17 and a half feet.
No, it's wider than that. It's like 20 feet.
All right, well, I'm just gonna put measurements in there because it keeps getting bigger.
That's why I said if you take wrong measurements from the get-go.
Anyway, so it is, you know, this right here, they're about 4-foot little beds here. We've got a long strip in the back, and then we've got walkways. This is the walkway area. Now, because of the rain, it's been so muddy, so we're gonna look into, we put cardboard down, and then we're gonna put mulch down so that we can actually walk around it without our feet falling apart. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just saying, I'm kind of proud of us. I'm proud of what we've done. You know, the seeds didn't start off very well. We're going to direct sow some things. We might have a smaller yield. We won't be able to have as much food, but we have plenty of space now. So the next step is to get some dirt, which my sister-in-law and her husband, they're building a house. They have extra dirt, which is better than the dirt that we have here. So we're going to try and get some of that here in the next couple of days, and hopefully we can transplant some plants. Very, very excited. So thank you guys so much for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you guys again soon.
Alright, so we hope you have enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't done so already, and hit the subscribe button while you're at it.
And if you have not already, check us out at www.thefamilyflips.com. And if you're on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, what a coincidence! So are we!
Links down in the description for those.
Until next time,
Peace.